On the ridge?
I got hit by something, or I didn't get hit, but I got shot by something. I didn't even hear it.
Nope,
Sniper.
it's right more, dude.
About 100.
It's like 80 something, or...
Like it's less than. It's
I
like
can't see. There's a fucking tree in my way.
That hill,
It's 180 meters.
3 or 4. Yeah,
Close?
I'd say.
Yeah, because it's crack. It's every 100 meters for every 1 second.
No more than that.
Fuck, you're so knowledgeable. I see it, his dumbass. He's by the tree.
What tree?
1,
Oh, I see the
7, something. To the left of the tree.
My position, 280. Yeah, he's prone behind a tree at 280.
Yep, there you go. He's shooting. He's gonna shoot again.
Do you see him, Shelton?
Yeah.
Oh,
shit.
sounds it. Put you up, just
Whoa.
fucking focus on killing his
He's
ass.
on the tree. You're on him. He's running. He's running. Oh, he fucking ran. He's running left or right.
I got him. It's fine.
He's over there. He's
Fucking
over
got
there.
headshotted. Don't know how you're up. Gonna give you morphine.
First?
Just smoke a cigarette whenever
Yeah.
you got a chance.
We're gonna go get in the Willy and go get him.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, good.
This man.
Where are we taking contact?
Did you guys spot him before he ran?
Just sliding
Something.
through the ground. What the fuck?
On me.
Yeah, we saw him. He was up about 280
we'll
Am I
take
gonna
from
fall through the fucking...
Riley's position,
Okay.
and then he
Alright.
ran towards the
Context.
north.
No,
Okay.
that's
He went behind the crest of the
That's
hill. He's in
able.
defilade. No idea where he is now.
Yeah, command's gonna take the Willy and go flush him out.
Excellent.
Alright.
Keep your eyes out for now.
Considering,
Can't see shit that far away.
Hang on, am I coming with you?
Assist aid with
Alright, good.
Command, this is we were engaged by a lone gunman, possible sniper. They ran back over.
Shoot at us. At all.
Man's excellent driving.
Hey, do you hear that right
Yeah.
now?
Hey, Lancaster.
Because it's like really fucking loud. I don't know how you don't
Yeah,
hear it.
boss.
What did you guys find at the other crash site?
It wasn't a crash site. I marked it as a burning pipeline because that was the only thing we could figure out what it was.
Oh,
There's a pipe running through the ground with
The
the
pipe.
fucking a bunch of dirt dug out around it.
Oh,
and
yeah,
There's a
I
hole in the center with smoke billowing out of it.
yeah, I saw a part of the pipeline. That
Yep.
explains it.
I think we need to head over to Pepsi. OP Pepsi instead of OP Cola.
Where's
OP Pepsi's about to click
What?
that way.
Why would we go over there? We did our mission over here, dude.
Did we find this?
Yeah, we found
It's right there.
Ah, okay.
Anyway, so we're gonna head down to the airfield now.
Yeah. Is this really safe to just leave the wreckage unguarded?
But frankly, they already have twin-engine fighters. It's not like we're gonna end up giving them new technology.
Yeah, there's nothing in there the Krauts need. And everything's wrecked as shit anyway.
I mean, being honest with you, they probably have something 10 times as good.
What, really?
Oh, Mr. Captain America really implied that there's probably mines there, so I don't know.
Oh, we're going through the center. There should be no mines in the middle.
Yeah, it just, you know.
I mean, the
it's kinda
Germans
similar.
Germans had to weave themselves a way out, so
Nah, them Jerrys have ways to avoid them on mines.
Do they?
I don't know, how the hell else would they be able to? I mean, it's not like they got...
leaving gaps in the minefield and hoping we don't see it.
well, they didn't count on fucking Urban Rommel getting captured and giving us the maps.
I don't think that was Rommel, sir.
Oh, taking fire, taking fire.
Oh no!
Holy
Going
hell!
south.
Where?
What the fuck? In
Nice.
front, what the
Hang
fuck?
on, hang on. You might want to soft dismount.
Soft dismount. Take
Can't
cover.
shoot them from here.
We can hide it behind the rock.
Oh, security, security.
Pull security, take cover.
Shelton. Alright.
Up the hill, direct south?
Yeah, MG. There's a tent up the hill to the south.
Pretty big gap.
I think we got
Those are our
friendlies
guys,
coming
those
from
are
the
our
other
guys.
side.
I'm in defilade up on the other
there's
side of the hill.
a-
Y'all
there's a
might
fucking
wanna
bunker
take this
direct
cross
south.
instead.
Yep.
How did these? Never
You
mind.
Alright, I'm gonna
Hey.
put down the tripod. Let's see, where do you want it?
On the left-hand side of the hill, is that a corpse? There.
Negative.
Sorry.
It's a bunch of bushes? Alright.
At least not left of the MG and the camo net. There's nothing.
Get back.
Alright. We're gonna be in... Burks, where are you?
Right here.
Down through here, we're gonna be in perfect defilade from that firing position up until we reach the crest of that hill.
Make it so.
Alright, got it. Riley, get your MG set up here. I need one other rifleman with me.
He left.
What the hell?
Ran. He saw us all. He flanked them.
Alright, well.
So go occupy the position.
Oh, just
Yeah,
got
I
it.
guess go. I'll call everyone else.
Burks recommend double time.
Hello. It's clear.
MG's cleared. Go occupy the position.
Let's go.
Double time.
Don't we... Where's Burks at?
Over here.
Plant a bomb here.
Copy.
Yes, Riley.
Anyone has a bomb? Well, just...
Yeah.
Alright.
Really worthy of doing that?
There, I know.
Yeah.
So as soon as you see something,
Alright.
point.
Fortified. No, it's not fortified, but it's a position, alright.
Copy
So
that.
he's planting the bomb. Are you okay? He's doing
Miller's going.
What's going on?
We're going back to the airfield.
The gun.
Yeah, go back up. Let's go.
Okay, gunner seat.
Got it.
M2 up!
What was that?
Taking fire.
Artillery! Artillery!
Mortars.
Artillery! Artillery!
Get in. Let's move.
Mount up.
Oh!
Sick.
All in.
All in, all in, all in.
All in.
All in.
Hold it! Hit it! It'd have to
It
be
was a
fucking
trap. It was a
artillery.
fucking trap. They lured us right here so they could bomb the shit out of it.
I missed. There.
They already had ranging shots, though. That was pretty accurate fire, considering we're like 3 clicks out.
Phew.
Find a rock.
Alright, did you blow it?
Another one.
Oh fuck. Are we good?
Yeah.
Fucking A.
I
My
don't
head's
hit the
out
Vic.
here, boys. You're all good.
Find a rock.
Static rock.
Static rock, north, 500 meters. You kind of get shot in the head, your entire perspective on getting shot changes.
Oh, mines.
Oh shit.
Achtung.
Achtung. Minen.
Any
wonder-
chance they're just anti-personnel mines?
Yeah, I don't want to know if we want to find out in this thing.
Well, if they're AP mines, we should be fine. I just need to keep my head
Should be.
really far the fuck down. Oh my god, I got lost.
Got mines up ahead.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the dip where there shouldn't be any mines, so we're gonna go this way.
Okay.
Burks?
Yeah.
To the northeast, we got a bunker with an MG, and there's a guy in it, and I see him. Still, you got a bunch of other people who can't hit shit, though.
I don't know.
The M2 isn't that accurate.
You just light it up. It's like one guy.
Yeah, it's one guy.
One shot is bound to hit.
You could also just take a team up there and just chuck a grenade into his fucking house.
And we have the
Yeah.
1919 sitting right here, and he starts his cover, and he just
Oh,
starts
is there
firing.
actually a
Yep.
way to get? Oh yeah, there
Riley
is.
and I
Yeah.
can stay here and cover, and y'all can take a couple of guys and go fuck his day up. And we can cover you.
I don't know, Simonov, why don't you take a team? We'll fucking kill that guy with the MG, and you just clear out what they have up there.
Sure. Miller.
Turn off. Halt.
Who
We're just
back?
gonna,
Here.
we're just gonna avoid it.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna
leave
avoid that.
this
And we're gonna
crowd
go
here?
for straight for the airfield.
Right.
See, okay, sure.
Where are we exactly?
Stand by.
That's about
Um,
400 meters.
We're near the staging point. Around.
We're here.
Okay.
400
Willing
set.
to bet the Browning in the...
So we gotta go 700 meters that way.
MG team, pack up.
So where are we at right now?
Copy.
We're not gonna
Alright,
kill
Riley,
this
just
guy
go.
today.
Circle.
Just assembling it.
Right that way. Yeah, who do you
Oh,
want? Who do you want in the car?
What are we doing exactly?
None
Are
of us,
we
frankly.
moving
None of
down to
us.
the airfield with the
we
car?
engage-
We're going to the staging area from here, and we're gonna use the M3 scout car as a mobile gun when we assault the airfield eventually. So who do
Okay.
you want as the gunner, and who do you want as the driver?
Well,
My recommendation would be Private Miller's. He's a rifleman.
Yeah.
Because Riley and I sort of need each other, and you're the squad leader.
Can you spare Miller and make him drive?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's settled.
Okay.
So southwest to the staging area then?
Yeah, right over this way.
Okay.
Southwest.
Oh, bunker.
Bunker.
Up ahead. Big fucking pillbox. Bearing 200.
Okay.
Looks to
Get
be
behind the
about
rock.
maybe 700 meters.
Yep, concrete fortification, very
Yeah.
far.
Doesn't have an angle on us though. I don't
No,
see
we could
anything
just-
inside of it.
We could go left more.
We could go left.
Yeah, let's swap the staging area.
Okay. So you want us to go roughly there?
Yeah, I moved it over.
Okay.
Sure.
Let's keep going. Just a little gunfire, that's all. Column. Prepare to double time.
Column, prepare to double time.
Column, double time.
Column, double time.
Column, prepare to halt.
Column, prepare to halt.
Column, halt.
Column, halt.
Halt.
You see anything?
No.
Where's the airfield supposed to be?
Should be southwest. Or no, wait.
Yeah, it should be like 2 clicks southwest.
Yeah.
We're still pretty far from it.
Platoon over
Yeah.
here, southwest.
Okay, let's reform the line. I'm in the column.
Alright, reform column.
Reform column on me. We're headed southwest.
Hey, get in front of me.
Yeah, we're going.
We're going.
The column.
We moving southwest now?
Perks, come here.
Follow in behind me.
Column halt.
Follow in behind the medic. Follow the.
Yep.
What's the gesture for?
Yeah.
Halt
We gotta
is
fucking
by
fly
default
that way
control and then
onto
move
the
back.
airfield. We gotta move fast.
Okay.
So don't time it the entire way.
Copy.
That way.
Because odds are the shots we're hearing is the British infantry that's engaging right now.
Okay, column, prepare to move. We're going to be moving on double time.
That's away from the airfield.
Because the infantry is
Column,
which
let's
way
move
fucking
double time,
everyone's going.
southwest.
Column, move, double time.
Taking fire.
Shots.
Down.
Left side. Get online, get online. Get online. Return fire.
Tripod here. We're taking shots from
Where
left
the fuck are
somewhere.
they?
Somewhere to
Boy,
the
MG.
150.
I'm getting pinned.
Tripods on the ground.
Cover.
What do you need, Riley? What do you need?
Did you pop this smoke?
No.
Yeah, that was me.
Okay.
It's coming somewhere from the southeast.
Yeah, I saw them. They're up on the ridge. Well, I would be able to see them now, but
Yeah. Well, we got
MG
surprised,
can
so.
see.
Where's that? Get that MG set up.
It's
MG setup.
We don't see anything to shoot at.
Well, they see us.
Copy. Dismantling.
Try and As soon as the smoke
Hey, anything
dissipates,
through
try and
this
find
fucking
the enemy.
I've got the tripod.
Put it where.
Okay, they're definitely shooting right direct front of me.
Yeah, yeah.
160.
Our M2 looks shitty.
It's set.
Smell. Excuse me. I need to set up.
Yeah.
They're there.
Balls of them boys.
Set up. Sure.
Some helping you out. Remind you just walk away.
Perks, they're pulling. They're pushing on the door, right?
Copy.
I just saw a guy with an MP40 over there.
Got contacts on our right.
Thank you.
Where's Hey Jake, what do you say?
I took down one hostile.
I'm saying, what did command say?
Reloading.
He wants us to fucking fight.
Alright.
I'll still,
I think we're gonna need to repack.
Repack the
Copy
MG and
that.
prepare to move.
The Sherman?
really hope it's the Sherman. We're on the east. So I
None of us is southwest, is there? Back there,
Negative,
right?
that's an enemy. He's dead.
Still alive. But...
British, do you want
Okay,
to link up
okay,
with
he's
them
dead.
and see what all information I can get from them?
I don't know what they really could tell us.
The guy over there's still fucking twitching.
That hill to the southwest. Let's move there.
Alright, I'll follow you.
I think we're good.
Okay.
Tank?
Friendly armor?
I'm looking. Come on, Sherman. It's
A
the
Churchill.
Fuck yeah. It's the
Okay, let's move
British
southwest. Individual bounds. Try not to stay up too long.
boys. Push up, yep.
Set.
Tank cover.
Individual bounds. Just keep moving. Keep dashing.
Looking good, boys. Good hell.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright. I can't hear you, dude. There's a tank in my right ear.
Let's keep pushing up with the tank.
Emplacement right in front of us to the... over this way. So, like, to the west.
Fucking ears on.
Brits are gonna hit the concrete bunker.
Good on medical.
Sweet.
Is there anything else you need to get hit?
Negative.
There's a Sherman over there.
Pull me back, pull me back.
To the southeast.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Good, 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 and home.
Or wait. No, I don't see it now.
Here it is. Alright.
Good hit.
Catcher.
Impact. Effect
Get
on
up.
target? Fucking no.
Ooh,
Another hit.
that one was good.
Effect on target? No. Not want to assault while they're
That last
suppressing
shot
MG team, pack up.
or LT.
Copy.
Prepare
Okay,
to bound to that rock. 200
We're gonna
meters
assault
to our
for it.
front.
Brits, these guys are going towards that bunker.
MG team bound. Get online with that
It's
rock.
coming from the southeast.
I got no targets. Don't set up the MG yet.
There we go. Alright,
Get online.
suppressing! And vehicle halt.
I have a really good line of sight right here.
Got any targets?
She'll update on
Negative. I don't see shit.
MG team,
Pressure
prepare to
on
bound.
bunker.
You want to set up right here?
Negative. We don't have any targets.
MG team, let's move.
Yep, let's keep getting closer.
400 meters to the front.
Jake! M2 up!
M3!
3 snooker!
Stuka!
Stuka, get down.
Get down, get down, get down. It's fucking diving. Oh, Jesus. Alright, keep
I
moving.
heard the siren that was so close. Oh shit.
Probably right. No, hey, there it is.
Also
target.
MG team, hold right here. Get online.
Okay,
Get
toss it
online
in,
right
boy.
Frag up!
Shit,
Watch yourself.
stay behind this.
Oh,
my
my
ears.
god.
Yeah, sorry.
Thanks, the next time that group comes around, it's gonna bomb
MG
us.
team, reform. Stop fucking around in the
On your
bunker.
rear,
Okay,
Alright.
Lancaster, push up to that rock,
If you stay
left
still for
side.
too long, I still could drop some bombs on
Yeah.
fucking toast.
Alright,
First.
Say again.
Heller.
We're gonna start heading to the
Hey, hold on. Gonna help you.
southwest, west,
Okay.
west, south.
You've been hit for.
Disregard
Fuck.
whatever what I
No.
said.
West,
Oh,
west. Oh my god, fuck that.
Okay, Able, reform, let's go.
There he
Southwest.
goes.
Able, reform, moving southwest.
What just
Solid
blew up?
copy on you.
Rah. Target is just a touch more to the right of where you're heading.
Oh, I see it. Let's get behind that rock, that big rock right there in front of us.
Yeah, Raj, that one?
The one right in front. The big
I
one.
see it.
MG team, find some suitable positions right here. Get online.
MG, get set up!
Very good, Private.
I see a grounded fighter plane. Nothing at the ATC tower. I see one
So
open
top
place.
here is pretty good. Alright, good.
Raj.
Some sort of barracks to the bearing 240.
19 up.
Alright, MG's up.
Let's see.
Alright, everyone good on medical?
Yeah.
Okay, bearing
Got a Sherman coming up on our
bearing
rear.
255. We've got a shit ton of parked planes and parked Vicks. 255.
I can't use
Heller.
To the right of you.
Hoo-ah, Britbongs!
Oh shit!
Woo! On the right, anti-tank gun position!
Okay, you spread out, guys. Spread out.
90!
Spread out.
We got an AT gun!
Yeah, keep going.
290!
Able, back up. Let's move straight forward. 200 meters.
Back up! Let's go!
Yeah, keep going. Keep pushing it while we got the Sherman alive.
Oh, fucking
Yep.
A, now we're taking fire!
Now we're taking fire.
Duck.
That's the flak gun.
Oh, fuck!
Fuck.
Oh, get down.
Stay prone.
Stay prone.
Hey, Smith, I'm hit.
Hug the fucking dirt,
Hey.
boys.
Damn.
Spread out. Keep on moving.
Taking fire.
Set the MG up in a good position.
Down in this, we're not getting a good position.
Right here. There's
Oh
infantry right in
god,
front of
Riley's
me.
pretty hurt up.
Right here.
I'll get you.
Here. Sheldon, here. Riley, here.
Give me a sec.
Alright. Bradley, when you're ready to move, we'll move.
Changing!
There's a
Up.
fuck ton of Germans right in front of me. Riley.
Yeah, I'm getting patched up right
Riley,
now.
where you at?
Riley's hit. He's getting
Fuck.
patched up, and then he's coming.
I'll get the 1919.
Alright,
Negative, Lancaster. Keep your AR up.
Alright, yeah, right in front of me, dude. There's guys. You see him? Yeah, there you go.
Alright, halfway done.
Yeah.
So about 3 more
Shit.
seconds.
JJ!
And
Good.
5.
All up!
There you go.
I'm hit.
1919's doing work. We're gonna move up.
Right, let's
First,
go!
we're gonna move up while the 1919 presses.
Oh, my leg is
Uh,
fucked.
On the
Negative.
left here, we got rocks. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna make it on you.
Yeah.
Get off Simonov. Get off him. Got a Burks. We need Burks. He's fine. Just give him blood when you're done with Burks. When you're done with Burks, come back and give him
Fire a
blood.
little bit lower if you
Burks is fine now. Don't worry about stitching right now, dude.
Really done. Literally. Oh, you're good.
Thanks.
Okay, move behind the rock. Go get Hunter. Get Thompson. Okay, move your guys up on using the left. We got bunkers here.
Oh fuck, I'm hit.
Copy.
The bunker on the left is clear.
Let me just push.
Yeah, go to the left. Lancaster's over on the left.
Yep.
Give him
fire
CPR.
right there. Close.
Simonov.
And then put the Jimmy down.
Simonov's hurt. You really can't use him.
Always the head.
Probably.
Where's the MG team?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm shooting at crowds. Just keep it up.
Stop that CPR.
Yeah, you're shooting into the fucking ground.
DP. Wait, he has a high DP, so I'm gonna give him a happy. I had some demo soon, but oh well.
Anvil.
Tripod.
He's stable.
We're being engaged from the southeast as well.
Like some behind you.
Yeah.
Please. Oh,
We
don't.
got close
Let's push
contact,
forward.
150 meters.
Riley, get the MG set up on the left of the fucking bunker, right here. Start suppressing fucking 240. I'm almost out of ammo.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh, that is a ton of fucking crowd.
Shit.
That tank, I can have it move
Where's
up.
the MG?
Yeah, we'll get him to
Where's
move
the
up.
MG?
1919, man.
Break, command, this is platoon. We need that tank to move up.
Oh, fucking light. God damn it.
Smith, have you seen the MG?
Who's hurt?
MG team. MG team, you guys here?
Yeah.
Come on.
You guys need to move up. Shelton's down. Riley, pack up the MG. We're moving. I'll get Shelton patched up. Can you take the tripod? Yeah. I'll get him patched up and start heading down to the bunker to the southeast, where the others are.
I just need to reload my gun first.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab Shelton.
The southeast?
Yeah, southwest rather, right there.
That's okay. I'll lead the way.
Yeah, just get your MG set up in that bunker.
Who's ready? Thompson?
This one at 227.
I'm fucking moving, Thompson.
Yes,
You
sir.
ready?
Rock.
That's him.
You got a medic here.
Stay here.
Put him right here.
Some cover.
Yeah, I'll put him here.
07
I
RAF.
patched his head up.
I swear to God, it's always the head. Can you check his
Yeah.
pulse?
No.
Nazis at the barracks, aren't they?
Pulse. He has no heart rate. Providing CPR.
Nazis by the barracks, Riley. Bearing
I got you.
240.
What the fuck? I just reloaded this fucking thing.
Enemy infantry 240. Pre
You're bound by these rocks and some of it
600
up on the
meters by the
barracks.
barracks.
Gonna drop him with the epi.
Head down.
Engage that.
I'm
Yep.
gonna head south.
Do you need I
A bit
put
higher.
on the ground if you need it.
How the fuck is this set up this shit?
You'll be fine. You're green. No hit.
Riley, you want me to set up the tripod up there?
I don't know how.
Please do.
Oh, literally just drop it on the ground. Literally just drop it on the ground.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, you literally just drop it. Yep.
Alright, set it up there.
Set up the MG, come on.
Bro.
Quickly.
Simonov, isn't it?
One hand
All
right
right,
here.
it's set up. The tripod set up.
It's Simonov. It's Azimuth.
I'm getting back. I'm getting back.
Let's get it going, boys!
Oh my god, I can't even fucking see, dude.
Jesus Christ.
You two good?
Yeah, we're good. Smith, Riley, you got a good line of sight up there?
Take cover, take cover. Get your heads down.
Hunter runs in and dies.
Fine, I just do that.
You see any targets?
Negative.
No, it's just a big wasteland out there.
He's like, let's go! Alright, dude. Good job.
You're shooting at something.
Contacts 238 prone by the barracks, by all the round barracks buildings. Crawling around out
He's out
there.
in the open.
Good shit. There are a few guys to the left. They might be obscured by the tank. Yeah, that's a good spot. Fire low and left of that.
No, I just fell over and had
Keep it up, keep it up. There are guys running
Wait,
out
what?
there.
Fuck, I'm hit.
Simonov just died. He felt. I don't think it was hit. He just didn't have
heart rate
anymore.
Get him down from there.
Shit,
He
Riley's
got
hit.
knocked unconscious.
Just again.
I hit unload incapacitated, but I don't know where he went.
Okay. Oh, here. He's here. I'll get him behind cover.
There we go. Let's see. Pulse.
Jesus Christ.
Strong heart rate, that's good. Yeah, I believe I've got Riley stabilized, but he's gonna need blood. He's lost a lot.
Oh, Simonov was still alive. Okay. Get him back here.
Heart rate, but apparently he's still alive.
Oh yeah, but I meant like the
What's the
ammo
news?
for you.
Command wants us to move forward as one element.
Okay, where are you? Where's the rest of the platoon?
They are forward by a couple of the Opal Blitz trucks,
Yeah.
directly west.
That fast.
Yeah, something was buggy.
Element, are you
Command,
ready?
this is platoon.
I
Able
think it was
squad is
taking
ready.
more than one box.
Okay, Able,
Possible
we're moving to the west.
Bombers or large other aircraft.
Fuck me.
Keep moving.
I have a bad feeling about this push. Oh fuck.
I'm on your left.
Fucking immortal or
Taking fire straight from the front behind those rocks.
Okay, he's right in front of us.
Let's
I'm
get
gonna
off
try
this
and advance to
field.
that rock up here.
Let's get off this field.
There he is.
Marshal.
We're inside,
Marshal.
yeah.
Command said there are German officers fleeing the airfield. He said planes might be used as well to get them out of here.
Get a flat gun. Get on it then.
He wants
We're
them
trying to
kill
find the
them.
flak gun.
Fuck, sniper fucking 150 meters away?
Yeah. Southwest.
Burks, be advised, we're treating the air traffic control building as a triage and treatment center.
Yeah, be advised, we have a sniper somewhere to the southwest.
Oh shit, not already. Say again, Thompson?
Plane taking off?
MG, get set up right here. MG, set up right here.
Shoot
Take out that
Line
fucking
up the
plane.
plane, line up the plane.
MG, on the plane, shoot the plane.
Tripods up, tripods up.
Yeah, he's dead.
Okay, it's dead.
Yeah.
Hey, we're gonna assault this. There's a private fucking airfield here. Set up here, MG stay here. Shoot any planes that try to leave. Rest of us, we're gonna go in. And we're gonna get the flak gun. See him?
No, I can't.
Put the gun here, just get it up then. Pick it up.
The
Doesn't
fucking
take
tripod.
fucking
It
2
doesn't work
seconds,
like
man.
that, man.
It's ramming into a fucking dead plane. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Well, it's fine.
Tripod set.
Anyway, just mow them down because they try to run into the desert.
Fuck it up.
Hey, MG team, we got infantry behind us to the west.
Okay.
Infantry behind us to the west, 500 meters
Sibling.
on the runway.
Oh, he got out. Go.
Tripod set.
Right in front of us, behind those rocks.
Riley, did you get that guy that got out of the plane?
Oh, he ran away.
Fuck. Well, alright. Yep, fuck him up. There are 3 guys to the left, yep.
Oh, you nearly
Reloading.
shot my head off.
Goodbye, man.
They are all down. Good work.
Got ammo.
I see more. Wait, are those friendlies that
Those
are
are
walking
friendlies.
over there?
Do not shoot, do not shoot. They're taking that guy prisoner. Shit. Oh god, I just fell off the fucking building.
Nice.
I've got legs of steel though, Burks. I'm a tank.
There's a surrendering German.
Honestly, if you
Where?
see corpses,
Yeah, this
look
rock.
for ammo.
Well, let's take him.
2 fucking hands up. Stop. Halt.
Don't run, you fucking kraut.
Halt. Halt.
Shoot him in the
Halt
leg. Alright, never mind.
Negative.
He surrendered.
Where's Miller?
Miller is currently down.
Hey, that's mortars.
Take cover.
Marshall,
Take
I
cover.
got hit by an artillery shell
Get back over
earlier.
here. Get back over
Get in
here.
the bunker. Get the prisoners safe. Don't leave them out in the open.
We're gonna run double time to that
They're
bunker.
Krauts, who gives a shit?
We gotta put them in the control towers. Go put them in the control tower. Where is
Excuse me?
Miller? Miller!
Miller's down. Miller's down back there. Smith is working on him.
I need explosives, dude. Get explosives from him.
I got explosives.
Okie
What do you need?
Oker
What do you need? Explosives.
I need explosives
Where?
on the flak gun.
Okay. Got it, boss.
Right there.
Riley, what are you shooting
Alright.
for? I've got ammo.
Put
I'm
them.
green.
Stay in
Start moving
cover.
prisoners. Move prisoners into the fucking control tower.
Yeah, I got this guy.
All right, I'll stick with you. Let's go.
And you bald-headed bastard. Oh fuck.
Command, this is
Oh,
platoon. We are
fuck.
beginning to escort the prisoners back into the air traffic control. How copy?
Hey, if you don't realize there's mortars coming down, you might want to run.
I hear it.
Get the fucking prisoner and run with him.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Let's go.
Run.
Can't sprint and use the radio.
No, rip.
Covering.
What is that?
Frag out!
Which direction? We're out here too.
We're throwing them northwest.
Okay,
Frag
okay.
out!
Oh,
Getting these
all
guys'
right.
inventory. I'm about
You
to
have
die.
so many cuts. Holy shit.
My head. Oh my god.
You're great, sir.
Packing bandage, my new
Jacob,
best
what
friend.
does command say?
That.
Man has said nothing.
Oh great.
Shit. Oh shit. MG. MG.
Changing.
Are they us or them?
Yes, they are RAF.
About time.
One of these.
I might run out of medical.
Oh
my god.
You out of medical
Was
stuff?
that
Frag out.
What the fuck was that?
Swear to God, I picked a grenade.
Flashbang.
Hatfield.
I swear to God, I saw someone rolling their Thompson.
Frag out west. Oh, that's smoke. What? Where's the fucking
shit, he's
frags?
down!
So, patch your head, patch your head.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
I'm so close. I'm almost out of medical.
No, you idiot!
Hit me.
I hit
Frag
you.
out.
Get your fucking head away! You're gonna get shot!
Alright, you're good. You're good.
thanks.
Oh
Stop
my
moving so
god.
much, Smith. Jesus
I'm
Christ.
not trying to. Hit
I shot you in the fucking leg.
my leg. Okay, he should be stable.
Can I
Oh
get
my
over
God.
your fucking body, please?
I don't know if you can.
Don't shoot the fucking wounded. They're already dead. Oh!
Tank.
Oh, Jacob!
Oh, fucking hell. There's a tank. Tank.
Oh, get the fuck down.
Oh shit, Hatfield's dead.
Just blow us up before the tank does.
No.
Frag out.
What's a frag gonna do against that?
Something.
Bert, what do we do? How do? Oh, he threw a bad frag in there.
I think this operation is FUBAR. It's FUBAR.
There's a bunker. Shit. There's a bunker to our west. You see it?
Shit.
Cheers, that's me.
I can't point at it anymore, apparently.
Yeah.
But it's like just to the left of west. Maybe we could get to that and use that as a defensive position because this ATC is not tenable.
Guys in the ATC tower, I'm gonna smoke the tank and you guys can fucking get out of there.
Oh, music.
Alright, dude. Let's see if that works. There's a lot of
We're getting fucking
I think it's
Okay.
I hope that's the fucking
Oh
RAF.
god.
Those are the RAF behind him. Oh my god, he's looking at me. Oh, it's dead. It's dead. Oh, they hopped out. Shoot the bastards! Kill him. The crew hopped out.
I'm advancing.
Right behind you.
Thompson, I don't even know if you have a pulse.
Cinema almost shot you.
I'm hoping you have a pulse.
Oh yeah, there's nothing
I
alive
doubt
over
you
there.
do.
Fuck that. There's nothing to
Honestly,
shoot at.
Anyone injured upstairs?
A-firm, copies all.
Able squad, rally up, south of the building, southwest of the building, rally up.
What?
Alright, where's Jacob?
Marshall, where are you?
Jacob!
Here.
Oh no! What are we doing?
I don't know. Giving myself more
Yeah, I
food
got
so
the
I don't have
explosives.
Go to
to-
the east. Go to the east and start blowing up.
You're
all
just
planes.
gonna make your blood even thinner.
Okay.
You hear me, Burks?
Hold up.
Another
Yeah,
guy will be coming.
east and yeah.
I recommend we prioritize that AA gun over there.
Yeah, I already got a
Did we
charge
blow
on
it
it.
up?
There we go.
Oh my god.
Oh,
They're dogfighting.
oh, that's got a dead stick, dead prop.
I hope, yeah.
Ooh.
But all of them.
No, there's a mix. Oh my god, my fucking FPS.
Remaining stuff.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Hello.
I'm gonna give you 500.
Alright, there we go. Got it, thank you.
Take cover.
Trying to stay very fast.
Can you
What are we
place some
shooting
bombs
at?
and I pram them immediately? Oh, it's ND.
Oh, okay.
Okay, whoever is not fucked up from Able, let's go to the northeast and blow up whatever remains of this
Hell yeah.
airfield.
Let's
We're
roll.
gonna blow up the fucking planes.
No, you'll be fine.
Fuck!
Yeah,
That's
fuck
not
you,
good.
you fucking trout.
I can't land here, buddy. This is a no-fly zone.
Yeah, he's got a dead stick. Eat shit. Oh my god. Nice.
Look at those
Jacob.
bombs. Jeez.
I always lose Jacob. The person I
Who the
need.
hell is Jacob?
It's Jay Hatfield.
Oh, Jay Hatfield.
Jacob from Jacob Swatter.
Yo, that's a big bomb right here.
Oh, he landed. Let's go get him.
The
We've
British are
bombed
coming.
everything. We've blown up their comm tower. All their planes are dead. The AA is dead. Their tanks are dead. At the British?
There's more Germans coming.
No, there's not.
I don't know if those are Germans.
Where's my
Can't
German?
see.
They're British.
Oh, Burke Saber.
Hey, everyone
Yeah.
good on medical? Anyone
No.
need a stitch? Need bandages?
Hey, Randy, look what I found.
Any
man. Look what
bandages?
I'm wearing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro.
T, look behind you.
Missed it.
Riley, look at how far up
Yeah.
that
Oh,
flare
fuck
went.
yeah, dude.
Really fucking show up.
It's okay.
We do the dirty work, huh?
It's the airborne way, brother.
Oh, I don't have any room. My ammo's here.
I'll give you 500.
Oh, what the fuck?
You aim your gun.